craze to code. Today I'm going to teach you how to download BlueJ and Java. Let's start. Firstly, you need to go to the website. The link will be given down below. Then you can choose any Java version you want, but today I will be choosing Java SE 1.3 download. After in, scroll down and look for the Windows version. This is when you realize you either need to create or sign in. Once you're done downloading, go ahead and open the file. As soon as you hit open, it will start extracting files on its own. Now you're in, hit next and proceed. Agree to this agreement. After that, choose where you want to download the file. In my scenario, I'm going to leave it in the same location. Don't mind the next few steps and just keep hitting next. Once you're done, your file will finally start to download. Wait for a few seconds for your download to complete. Once it's done, hit finish. Now Java has successfully been downloaded into your computer. Now it's time to download BlueJ. Go to the link down below and download the Windows version. Once it's done, hit open straight away. After it finally opens, hit next. For the upcoming steps, just keep hitting next. Now you will come to the point when you have to choose where you want to download BlueJ. After you're done with that, hit install and wait for BlueJ to install. After the installation, you will see the BlueJ icon on your desktop. Right click it and hit open. After you're done with that, Java should pop up instantly. As you can see, I've already created a program. So what you guys are going to do is just go to project and hit new project. You can save it wherever you want it to be saved and then you are ready to go. Now here comes the final step. Go to class and type in whatever class name you want. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to install Java and BlueJ and how to open a class in Java. If you like this video, it wouldn't hurt to hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you stay notified at all times. Comment down below any ideas for the future videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.